Hey guys, this first video that we're doing for our review package is it's for the grade 7 review package for the exam from the Math Help Services package that was multiple choice questions, so number 6 in your first package. Alright, so people asked me to do 6, 7, and 8, and they're almost exactly the same question, so I'm just going to do the first one here, number 6, and you do the same thing in the other questions. So it says, a dance studio offers classes at 3 different times. The evening class has 10 more students than the afternoon class, which has 18 students. The morning class has half as many students as the evening class. And then it says how many students are in the morning class. Write an expression to show your work. So on your exam, they're not going to say necessarily write an expression, but the other way that they could ask you to do this is write the chain of operations. Okay, so we are going to just look at what our options are here and write down what the information that they've given us. So first of all, evening is one. There's afternoon. And there's morning. Okay, so the only one that they've actually told us, it says the afternoon class, which has 18 students. So afternoon is 18. Evening is 10 more students than the afternoon. So evening is 18 plus 10. And I know that you can easily solve this and see that 18 plus 10 is 28 students. Okay, and the last one for morning, the morning class is has half as many students as the evening class. So whatever this evening class is, the 18 plus 10, we have to do half of that. So we know that half of that is divided by 2. Okay, so I know that you guys all know that these answers are really similar and you all were able to figure out that it was divided by 2. But the problem is that you have to pay attention to your order of operations. So the first one here is saying 18 plus 10, and then this is a division sign. I know it's hard to see, but 10 divided by 2 is 23. In this case, because of BEDMAS, you would have to do 10 divided by 2 first, which is 5, and then add it after. Okay, but that's not what we want to do. We want to take all the answer to the evening class, so the 18 plus 10, and we want to divide all of that, your answer from that, by 2. Okay, so both C and D are showing you options for that. They're saying 18, this one says 18 plus 10 divided by 2, exactly like how I wrote it. The other one has 18 plus 10 in brackets divided by 2. So both of these calculations, like this is right and this is right. Okay, but the thing is that they wrote different answers for them. So now that you actually go and calculate it, like we said, 18 plus 10 is 28. So 28 over 2, 28 divided by 2. And when you do 28 divided by 2, the answer is 14. So here in C, it said it was the right calculation, but it was telling you that the answer was 19. D says 18 plus 10 divided by 2 equals 14. So D is the right answer in this case. Okay, if you're having trouble still with this question, and like I said on your exam, it's written asking you how to do a chain of operations for something. If you're still having trouble with it, or if you're having trouble with the vocabulary, I said you need to know like deposit and withdrawal, because the question that you have is about a bank account. So if you're having trouble, please send me an email and I can explain it to you again.